Welcome back to our series on automating the Google Play console testing. In the last video, we looked at the big picture of why automation is a game changer for your workflow. Today, we're getting our hands dirty. We are going to set up the engine that powers the entire system. By the end of this video, you'll have Git, Ruby, Fastlane, and WSL ready to roll on your Windows machine, with quick notes for Mac and Linux users too. Let's dive in. What you need to install. 1. Git, required for all systems. Install. Windows, Git Bash. Mac, brew install Git. Linux, sudo apt install Git. Why? Git is what connects your local code to GitHub. Without Git, there is no automation trigger. Please note you can get the link for Git and all subsequent setups from the description. 2. GitHub account plus repository. Why? GitHub is the trigger engine. Every push you make starts the automation. 3. Ruby, required for Fastlane. Before we install Fastlane, you need to understand one thing: Ruby. Ruby is a programming language, just like Python or JavaScript. But in our case, we're not using it to build apps, we're using it to run tools. Why Ruby is needed here? Fastlane, the tool we're using to upload apps to Google Play, is actually written in Ruby. So when we run this command, gem install Fastlane, we're using Ruby's package manager to download and run Fastlane on our system. Ruby is like the engine, and Fastlane is the car. You don't need to understand how the engine works. You just need it installed so the car can run. We run the command inside a terminal called bash shell. What is bash? Bash stands for Born Again Shell. It's basically a command line environment where you type commands to control your system. Where do you find bash on different systems? In Windows you don't have native bash by default, so you use git bash, which is the easiest, or we use WSL, Windows subsystem for Linux. I recommend WSL for Fastlane. When tutorial says run in bash, it means open git bash or open WSL terminal. In Mac, bash, or ZSH, is already built in. Open terminal app. In Linux, bash is already default. Open terminal. So what does this command actually mean? Gem install Fastlane. It means use Ruby's package manager, gem, to install Fastlane globally on your system. If you're on Windows, I strongly recommend to use WSL, not command prompt, because 1. Fastlane works more reliably. 2. Ruby dependencies install cleanly. 3. There are fewer errors. To install Ruby on Windows, first use WSL, Windows subsystem for Linux. Why? Fastlane depends on Ruby, and Ruby works much more reliably in a Linux environment than native Windows. To install Windows subsystem for Linux, open Windows command prompt by going to run, then cmd. Give below command to install WSL. WSL install. Then inside WSL give command sudo apt update. Then give command sudo apt install ruby -full. This will install Ruby on Windows. For Mac, give command brew install Ruby. For Linux, give command sudo apt install ruby -full. Why Ruby? Fastlane is built using Ruby. So without Ruby, Fastlane simply won't run. 4. Fastlane. To install Fastlane, give command gem install Fastlane. Why Fastlane? Fastlane is the tool that actually uploads your app to Google Play. GitHub triggers Fastlane. Fastlane talks to Google Play Console. And that's it. Your environment is now officially staged for automation. You've got your terminal ready, your engine installed, and your tools in place. In the next tutorial, we're going to tackle the most critical configuration step, setting up that Google Play service account and generating your JSON key. This is the secret sauce that lets the automation happen securely. If you ran into any issues with the WSL or Ruby install, drop a comment below and I'll help you troubleshoot. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow the rest of this series. I'll see you in tutorial 3.